Hey, what is it, guys? Robert Master here, and today I'm gonna do an MLG mix-up of the sayings that they have in the MLGs. So yeah, enjoy.
What you say? Smoke weed every day. Wombo combo. That ain't Falco. That ain't Falco. Wow. Yes! Oh my God! Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah! Damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect. Damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect. You're an inspiration for birth control. Smoke weed every day. What you say? Wow. What you say? Oh my God! Oh! They know Are you? Wow.
And here's my last one. It's actually a pretty funny one. Yeah. Not that one. That was a fail. Okay. So yeah, that's my video. I know it's kind of dumb, boring one, whatever. But that's just a couple of them that I'm gonna use. And I don't know. Oi, what the fuck are you doing? And we got a special guest today. His name is Spooderman. Hi, my name is Spooderman. And today I'm doing AKA Robert Codmaster channel. And I'm just gonna say, Justin Bieber, you're a fidget. Just like your mom. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm leaving. So yeah, guys, there's Spooderman. He's gone. Yeah. So, peace. And I know this is a random video. Don't mind all the, So yeah, bye and
smoke weed every day.
Peace.